What's going on, guys? Just got back from the gun store. Picked up a CZ Bren 2 in the dreaded caliber of 7.62 by 39. If you guys have been following online forums and stuff, you know why that is the dreaded caliber for this gun. But I bought this a while ago and everything was slowed down due to COVID, but I have it now. I'm assuming it's been open at the gun store because everything's kind of all funky dunky, but it's not been opened yet, so I know everybody loves unboxing, so let's get started. There's no tape to go over. Let's see, this is a dreaded COVID cough. So I don't know if these originally come with these braces or the store put it on, because that's kind of, yeah, there we go. But I can straighten that out. That'll be fine. The tape fell off. Alright, so you get your CZ Bren. Looks like there's 2 magazines and a cleaning kit. A bunch of steel stuff I probably won't use, but it's kind of nice that it comes with that. Manual, all that. Alright, let's set that aside and let's take a look at this fucking thing. It's all covered with grease from the factory. So just so you guys know, you buy a gun from the store, make sure you clean it, clean the board, clean everything very thoroughly and oil it, because it's just filled with like packing grease basically. It's not really meant to be shot for the first part. So it comes with a brace. This thing's wobbly as fuck, so you should probably change it off or something cool, like one of the Dan Haga ACR stock adapters or something else. That's what I have in the boxes over here. Is one of the projects we're going to do with this thing. The action is very smooth. I know everybody's going to give me shit for doing dry fires on camera, but trigger's much better than everybody says. But I have an HB Industries trigger that we're going to replace that with. These kind of look like the Troy Industries mini battle sights. They're nice, but they're not spring-loaded, which I like them when they're spring-loaded, but it's not bad for sights that come with the gun. So yeah, seems pretty well made. We'll see how fucked up it is when I go take this to the range. I have a couple fun things. I already have a ACR adapter for my Silencer Co. hybrid. So we're gonna see if this thing cycles subsonic ammunition. We're gonna see how overgassed it is with regular ammunition. We'll probably do a video if it is overgassed on what to do with this. I don't even know how to take this off. With this, yeah, with this thing. You know, we could drill another hole on it that's smaller. Yeah, we'll probably do a review video too. Let's see, what else I have to show you guys? So we don't have the Dan Haga adapter yet, but we do have the ACR stock and his tail hook adapter and a Mod 1C, which is just gonna go on there like so. Yeah, but this puppy is going to be on the back of this puppy, which I think will look a lot better. And then I'll get rid of this ridiculous wobble, which is... Anyway, we'll see you guys next time with this gun. We'll be at the range. All right, you guys have a good one.